Hello, welcome to the Mahr podcast. Today we want to talk about the portable tactile surface measurement products, about the PS10 and also the new MarSurf M310 product. We have the product manager here, that's Martin.
Hi, André.
Hi, we will talk a bit about what makes those products so great. But first, we want to start a little bit. Why do we need portable measurement at all? So what are the typical applications, demands of a customer where you say portable measurement is really the way to go?
Yeah. First of all, you need to do a quick check direct in the production. Yeah. No customer want to go direct back to the lab and to lose time and to check the system there. You can do that direct in the production, for example, next to a milling machine. Then the second one is when you have big work pieces, it's not possible to put these big, heavy work pieces in a lab, in a measuring lab. So that's why you check that direct also in the production, the work piece. And also, for example, in the order incoming department, you need to check your goods, and that's why we have portable systems.
Okay, so what typically, as of now, is it now 3 years we have the PS10 in the market? It is really an absolutely high runner. It's highly appreciated by the customers. Why are the customers so happy with it? What do you think are the key features of the PS10?
Well, most of the customers or our customers like the way to operate. The PS10 and also the M310 are really easy to use. So you just start the system, press start, and that's it. Yeah. So the customer like the way to use to operate the system because it's more or less like a smartphone, like a cell phone. And then the second one is we have integrated PDF protocol function. That means you don't need an extra software. The PDF is able to create its own PDF record, and after that you can transfer your record to PDF record direct to a PC via the interface on the back, and the system will be detected like a memory stick. That means you don't need any kind of special driver or things like that. And also one of our main features is the automatic cutoff detection. Yeah, I don't know if do you know what it means?
No, what is the auto cutoff?
The automatic cutoff means during the measurement, the system set the right cutoff, the right filter, conforming to the standard you have to use. Yeah? Sometimes customers doing a measurement and they are wondering, why is my measuring result wrong? Why do I have the wrong measuring result? Because they set the wrong filter, the wrong cutoff. And conforming to standard, you have depend on the surface, set the right cutoff. And the system, the PS10 and the M310 is able to do that by themselves. So you avoid measuring mistakes, and you are always at the right side and at the safe side on your measuring.
Okay, so it's a kind of an intelligence inside that supports the operator, that they don't have to care about the nitty-gritty settings. It is really the systems which is taking care that the measurement is done properly.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
With the PDF report, is it true? I think I heard it once that also with the auto cutoff, we are the only ones?
That's true. We are the only one. The other one don't have that.
Okay, cool. So that explains it a little bit. Ease of use, perfect for production. We have the auto cutoff, again, perfect for production. And with the PDF report, we already have then the documentation. So again, it is a no-brainer for an operator. It's really just pressing the button, you may.
Exactly like that. The user don't need a special training, nothing. He just press start, that's it.
Perfect. So it's a really great product for the production. So with the M310, which we directly have next to it, and you already can see it's building up on the PS10. You added a wireless printer, so that is the printer is now here in a docking station, but it can be connected wirelessly. Is paper still a topic in production?
Yes, it is. Many customers still need a printout and put it in the box, or when they have a box full of small work pieces, they need a printout, put it in, and that's it.
It's a documentation that they have checked it.
Right.
Okay, got it. But what else features? I think it's not only the printer. I already saw some of your webinars, so there is quite much more in this new product.
Yeah, new is measuring programs, for example. In the system in the M310, we can save more than 1,000 measuring programs, and that means you can predefine a measuring program with the measuring length, the cutoff, the parameter, and then we can save that. And later on in the production, the operator just press start, choose this measuring program with the name of the workpiece, for example. When there's a camshaft or a crankshaft, then you press camshaft or crankshaft, and all the settings are all immediately done. So you have to change nothing.
So just let me repeat if I understood that correctly. With the PS10, it's very easy to measure. It's just one button.
Right.
The only thing when you have to change some parameters is if the type of workpiece is changing. Let's say you have a flat piece, and then the shaft is coming in. Then you have perhaps to change some parameters, the operator. With the measurement programs, let's assume you have 10 different type of work pieces. You can predefine those in those measurement programs or templates, however you call them. You can define the parameters. And I, as an operator, I just have to select then, now the shaft is coming in, I use the shaft system. Exactly. So I don't have to do any setting at all.
Exactly like that.
You mentioned once you can connect a barcode scanner. So can I even then automate that I don't do it? If the shaft is coming in, it has a barcode, I use the scanner?
Sure. For example, if you have a barcode direct on the drawing or direct on the workpiece, you can go direct with your barcode scanner connected on the M310 to your workpiece, scan the barcode. The system recognizes the measuring program, start immediately the right measuring program.
So no
right
button
settings.
at all. It's just the shooting. Right.
Just shoot, that's it.
So with this feature, it's even easier for production. You really can semi-automate the measurement, and operators can, it is dummy-proofed, if I may say. So everybody can really run it very easily.
True. In addition, you can use or you can trigger the M310 externally via ASCII commands. That's also possible.
So that means you can even use a robot, that the robot is placing the system and the PC or I don't know what system is triggering the measurement?
That's right.
Perfect. So it is really for production, it is, I can do measurement programs in there, so I can select measurement programs. The next steps of, let's say, automation is I can connect a barcode scanner and trigger the measurement with the barcode. Or I have no worker at all. I have an ASCII command, I have a robot arm, and then you can run that even automatically, this small unit. I'm pointing to the PS10, meaning the M310. But this is really an impressive upgrade, I must say. I also saw in your, I think you had that in our lab, you just used that as a drive system and managed it from a PC, which looked more or less like getting into a stationary system. Is it?
Yeah, that's right. The M310 can be used as a drive unit for the software Mahr Easy Roughness. This is our software which is able to control the drive unit, and after the measurement or during the measurement, you see online your profile in the software direct. And later on, you can do more evaluations than with the amplifier here from the M310.
So it's getting into the MarSurf, the current MarSurf XR1.
It's like that. Or we can say it's a start into the Mahr PC world of the surface measurements.
Really powerful device, I must say. Okay, what else do we have? There was one topic. You mentioned that once, IATF ready. What does that mean?
IATF means we are able now to send the gauge ID, to make sure the traceability of our product. You have to send with the measurement result also the part number or the serial number and the product number. And IATF means you have to send that together. And with the M310, we can do that. Together with the result, we also send our gauge ID.
So it's really a worthwhile upgrade, I must say, from the PS10.
Definitely.
Often I hear also that not only the product is important for the customer, but that they are really keen and satisfied with our accessories. Could you give a quick wrap up? What accessories do we have there?
Yeah, we have different accessories for the system. For example, the V-block or the hand prism, where you can put in the drive unit, and then you can do, for example, upside down measurement. Then the measuring stand, STG, with a 10 millimeter T-slot, or the magnetic measuring stand to put it direct on the machine.
Magnetic, you just mentioned magnetic. I think a lot of customer asks, do we have the capability that they can stick the PS10 to a metal area, whether it's overhead or on a vertical surface? I think we have developed something, and it's very often used by customers?
Right, that's right. We call them magnetic holder. Yeah, it's a special magnetic holder for the PS10 and the M210. You can fix it right here. And then you're able to, for example, when you have to measure a big coil, metal sheet coil in the metal sheet industry, you stick the whole system direct on the coil and just press start. And it stucks by themselves.
You don't interfere with the measurement, let's say, as an operator. When you press it and hold it, then you always have some noise, let's say, that you see in the measurement.
So you avoid these kind of influences, but the main advantage is you don't have to hold them the whole time. The magnetic holder do that for you.
So not only the system is powerful, a powerful upgrade, we already have a lot of accessories. So now let's say that the visitors or listeners are getting into it. They would like to understand more. How do they get in contact? How do they get more information? How can they step into it? What would be your recommendation?
Yeah, my best recommendation is buy it and try it. So it is so easy to use. You just get in touch with your Mahr sales partner and then try it.
Yeah, I think that is also what we often experience. If somebody is coming, at least that is what some sales colleagues say. If they're coming with the Mahr PS10, they show it. That customers would prefer to. Can you leave it here? So that is often a response. You also created a webinar. We have it in also in English and German. So where they can really get in touch. There we go into the products in depth. So really feature by feature, interface by interface. So there you get the full in-depth view of the product.
All the needed information you
technical details we have in there. I think also the accessories where we just scratch the.
You find a good overview about our accessories with pictures, and also some more explanations about the interface and more features. Just try it, figure it out. You will like it, enjoy it.
Perfect. So I hope that was again entertaining and educational. I think that is a great product lineup and a great new product. I must admit, really cool features you have implemented in the M310. And as Martin mentioned, I mean, take a look at the webinar, or how did you say? Try it and buy it, or buy it and try it. You will absolutely be convinced. So, as mentioned, I hope it was educational and entertaining. All the best.